Phones are everywhere. We use them constantly. They connect us to information and each other. This dependence shapes how we think and act. Our phones are always within reach. We check them reflexively. This constant connection has its downsides. We may be losing our ability to focus and think deeply. Without phones, communication would change drastically. We could no longer rely on instant messaging and video calls. Instead, we would return to older methods. Letters would become important again. We would write to family and friends. Face-to-face conversations would be more common. We would need to be more deliberate in our communication. Social connections would be reshaped without phones. No more constant social media updates. We would spend less time in the digital world. Our focus would shift to real-life interactions. Relationships might deepen. We would have to make an effort to see each other. Conversations would be more meaningful. Absence would make the heart grow fonder. Businesses would need to adapt without phones. Instant communication would be gone. Companies would rely on emails and meetings. The pace of work might slow down. This change could have benefits. Workers might experience less stress. They could focus on tasks more deeply. Creativity and innovation could flourish. Section 5. Mental well-being, finding balance without phones. Our mental health could benefit from a break from phones. Constant connectivity can be overwhelming. Social media often leads to comparisons and anxiety. Without phones, we could find more peace. We would have more time for ourselves. We could engage in activities we enjoy. Disconnecting from technology could reduce stress and improve our well-being. Section 6. Productivity and focus. A shift in perspective. Productivity could improve without the distractions of phones. We could focus on tasks without interruptions. Deep work would become easier. Our ability to concentrate might improve. This shift would require discipline. We would need to resist the urge to check for updates. The rewards, however, could be significant. We could accomplish more and feel a sense of satisfaction. Section 7. Echoes of the past. Life before the digital age. Life without phones is not a new concept. Past generations lived without this technology. They relied on different methods of communication and connection, yet they built meaningful lives. Their experiences offer valuable lessons. We can learn from their resilience and adaptability. We can find inspiration in their ability to thrive without constant digital connection. Section 8. Expert insights. Perspectives on a phone-free society. Experts on technology and sociology offer varied perspectives. Some believe a phone-free world would be beneficial. They argue it would reduce stress and improve focus. Others express concerns about the potential for isolation and the loss of instant communication. Their insights highlight the complexity of the issue. There are both potential benefits and drawbacks to consider. A balanced perspective is crucial when envisioning a future without phones. Section 9. A world without phones, utopia or dystopia? A world without phones is a complex idea. It presents both challenges and opportunities. On the one hand, it could lead to greater focus, deeper connections, and reduced stress. On the other hand, it could result in isolation, slower communication, and economic disruption. Ultimately, the impact of a phone-free world would depend on our ability to adapt. We would need to develop new ways of communicating, working, and connecting with each other. Whether this future is utopian or dystopian remains to be seen.